Okay, I'm gonna pack up my Happy Mail that I'm sending out. So I did put it in another box. I'm gonna try to put everything in here. Hopefully the sequence won't fly out. Some flying out. Sequence looks. So we have some Hobby Lobby. I used the Crafter's Craft sequence bag, this bag, and then this inclusions. Put it in here, and I did my own shred. So I'm gifting her the little hula dancer from Hello Kitty. And then one of the albums that I made. And then a couple of things in here. And there. And then some Prima Sade and crystals in here. And crafters. And then this from Hobby Lobby. Okay, let me see what else. I'm also giving her this pencil box. And this jewelry little plate. And I guess that'll be it. So let me put more shred. My little shred bucket here. One down. Let me do the other one. Okay. Sorry for the camera shaking. So, where's my tissue? some pink one. Putting this table scatter in it. Oops, that was a lot. I don't want the person screaming at me saying this was all over the place. So, put it chicken. Again, I have, oh, my bowl got messed up. Hello Kitty. And the koala. I also put sequins inside of it and shreds. This Heidi Swap bag. I'm gonna put my little buttons in here. One of these in here. Sage crystals, creamer. Sage crystals over here. And then some Michaels. Little jemmies, and then this from Hobby Lobby. Some more Michaels. And this Crafter's Choice. Sage crystals, pearls. And this from Hobby Lobby. These samples. I'm going to put a little bit of these in here. Some more shrubs. It is hot today. the elbow. Little stuffs in here, some stickers, this little chicken thing from Hobby Lobby, this sunflower foil, this filled with stuff, the Heidi Swapp bag with stickers and other things, some more stickers, which I should have put in here, because I have them in here. Them in here. The rest, the buttons that I just put, some more crystals, and some flowers. Okie dokie. Can this fit in here? I made just enough shred for the 3 bags. 3 boxes, not bags. Hopefully they like what I'm sending. Some more of these little things. And let me make some sequin mix again. They get stuck together, the clay beads. Let me get Happy Meals off to their owners, which I gotta go now to the post office before it closes. Hopefully it doesn't close, or I could go tomorrow. So that's how I decorated my Happy Mail boxes. As always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And they already received their boxes. That's why I am showing you how I packed it, so that it will be a surprise for them. So take care. Bye-bye.